Hey everyone, thanks again for joining me on another episode of Sealed for Good. Today we're talking about how to choose a trafficable coating over your membrane. And if you haven't subscribed to Sealed for Good yet, please remember to do so now. So choosing a trafficable coating over a waterproof membrane. What are the properties you're looking for? Well, not all trafficable coatings are the same and they're designed for different applications. You can have an industrial coating that can take really heavy traffic and heavy chemicals, but this may not be suitable in an application where you might have outdoors and UV light. So firstly, ensure that you've got all the conditions that the coating will be exposed to marked down. Is it chemical spillage? Is it UV light? Is it an entertainment area? Do you need to have a non-slip application? Because if you've got heavy traffic and regular traffic where there could be moisture, you want to make sure that it's an anti-slip surface. So these are all the areas you need to check first. Then, once you've identified that, you must ensure that the coating is compatible with the membrane. Now, there are a lot of very good trafficable coatings, but they're solvent-based. And these may not always bond directly to a waterproof membrane. The other thing you need to remember is a trafficable coating is quite hard, and you don't want to put a hard coating over a soft, flexible membrane. So situations where you might have the P39 or the Gripset 38, I wouldn't put an extremely hard surface over those, but that's where we've got products like the Gripset LS Roof Coat or the P17, fully compatible with those membranes. But if I'm going over maybe a cool room area where I've got to have chemicals exposed and I'm going to go with a hard surface, I don't need to have a class 3 flexible membrane. I may go with a sheet system. I could use the 11Y slurry or the 11Y DM coating to harden that up, and then use the Gripset E60 as an epoxy system, and then I could put a heavy trafficable membrane on top of that. Every application is different, and this is one where contractors get caught out because they tend to think one system they've used previously is adaptable to every membrane they're going over, and that's not the case. So ensure you ask the questions first, map it all out, and also by asking the questions first, you'll ensure you get your costings right, because a trafficable coating is designed to last, and their cost price can differ extremely from $10 a square metre right through to $70, $80 a square metre, which we've seen in some systems where they're exposed to heavy chemical exposure. Important to understand all those points before you specify and start using it. Any questions you have, 1-800-650-435, or get hold of any of the Gripset team out on the road, and they'll help you with this application of your trafficable coating over the membrane. Until next time, I'll see you then on Sealed for Good.